Hey love, so I'm gonna take y'all on a Sunday reset with me. What I'm doing now is taking out the meat that I've seasoned before and then marinating in the refrigerator or the freezer and putting it in the sink to thaw. And that's the first thing I did that morning. So that entire day to thaw, and then I'm gonna preheat my oven and put the chicken in the oven to bake while I get something else done. On this particular Sunday, I braided my hair, so I did some spring twists, and of course, I didn't spend an entire day braiding. I think it took me about 6 hours in between stopping and checking on the meat and using the bathroom. And I took a break to eat, but yeah, it took me 6 hours to get this done. So this is not my typical Sunday routine because I don't do my hair every Sunday or every week, I should say. But on this particular day, I did. And I must say it was Abby's day off also, so that was a plus. So he was keeping the girls company and taking care of the girls while I got this done. And of course, you see me looking up at the television because I was watching 90 Day Fiance, of course. I'm obsessed with that show. But hair was completed, I went on ahead and I fixed some rice to heat with the chicken, and then we had dinner. Bella I sat on our dinner. Abby and I watched a movie while we ate, I should say. And then of course it was time for me to just put the dishes away and just quickly clean up the kitchen. Before I went to bed, I don't like to leave the kitchen a mess while we sleep. And then I just took a shower and went to bed. Oh, before the shower, I actually had to get Tiana's clothes out for school the next morning. But I chose something simple that didn't need require ironing. But that was just basically it for this Sunday. As I said before, because I had to braid my hair, it wasn't a ton I got to do around the house, so it was more like a rest Sunday for me. But yeah, if you guys want to see another typical Sunday reset or routine, please leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. Yeah, because I really do have a full Sunday or busy Sunday with children. You know, life is extremely busy, especially school kids. Gotta get them prepared for school the next day, and then me with a baby. who is always by my side, like my little. I just love them so much. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, and the comment. So guys, before I go any further, I want to take a moment to thank Asoko Home for sending me this LED light. It's their new on the cabinet LED light. It's a new design. So what comes in the package is this little instruction manual with the product specification and stuff like that. So this is their logo, and you get this card. They say you should scan it and it can give you the product instructions and stuff like that. But this is what it looks like. Let me take it out. This is what it looks like. It comes with 5 different sensors. So you can turn it on. Sorry, it's a bit bright, so I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna turn it off. And right here is a sensor button. You can touch this and it changes the color. You can dim it, etc. It's USB chargeable, so it comes with this, and you just plug it here and charge it up whenever it runs out of battery. And it comes with these 2 magnets to install it. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to install it. So let's get into it. So guys, as you can see, the install process is super simple. All you have to do is connect the magnet that comes with it to the light and attach it to the surface, the clean surface of where you want to place the light. They recommend that you remove it and let it stay for 8 hours, and then you place the light back on there. Just ensure it stays firm and in place. Now guys, as I said before, super easy installation, and again, the light is by the company Asoko Home. I hope I pronounced it correctly. And it's a new curved design, which is an upgrade. It has a bright, super sensitive sensor. It has 3 adjustable working modes. It also has 5 color temperatures and stepless dimming, as you can see here. And it is USB chargeable and energy efficient. So guys, you can place the light wherever you want in your home. You can use it under your kitchen cabinet, in your bathroom, in your closet, or in your hallway. Whichever area in your house or your home that might require a little bit of extra lighting, you can definitely use it. You can also change the mode or the mode of the light, and it becomes, so instead of using the on and off switch, it senses any movement, the light automatically comes on, and once you leave that area, it will turn off on its own. Yes, so as I said before, I chose to put it under the kitchen cap, under the sink in the kitchen, because it's dark under there, and as you might can see, it's a little bit messy, so I really need to do a deep clean and reorganize under there. And I thought that would be the perfect place for me to place the light, because I need some extra light under there. As you can see with the before and after, it's a world of difference. And if you're new here, I love cleaning at night, so that's the most common time for me, and the time when the kids are asleep. I get to do most of my cleaning, so I'm really gonna need extra lighting under there, and I love it so far. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. You can go ahead and check them out. Definitely give them a buy. It's worth it, and they're so inexpensive, guys. And I promise you, Christmas is coming up. It'll make a perfect gift for your sibling, your mom, or your wife, or even a friend. I'm sure they will love it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Love y'all.